Today we are going to learn about the grammar topic. Called our main intention is that we are only going to focus about compound and complex. What is the exact difference between compound and complex? But I used to give you some little clarifications about what are these simple sentences, compound sentences, sorry, complex sentences, and here I have given you mixture of compound and complex. Okay, so let us see first. These compound and complex sentences are dependent upon clauses. First, we should discuss about clause. What is meant by clause? Clause is nothing but clause is a grammatical unit, the organization of grammatical unit, and clause is nothing but subject and predicate. A simple sentence is called a clause. In clauses there are two types: main clause, subordinate clause. But the main clause also called as principal clause and independent clause, and the subordinate clause also called as dependent clause. Okay, I have given you just a introduction about clauses, but you can go and check in our playlist. We have discussed in detail about clauses. But without further delay, we should move on to the topic. Our topic is that compound and complex. Just we should talk about just we should discuss in this video about compound sentences and complex sentences. What are these exactly? Okay. Examples. The man is too tall. This is belongs to the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? I will give you explanation about it. This is subject, and is too tall is predicate. Okay, this is a clause. Now just you should consider this is a simple sentence. A simple sentence means a meaningful statement. That's we call simple sentence. Here, Ram led the team, but I didn't join them. Compound sentence. In compound sentence, as you can see here, two independent or main clauses will be there. That's we call compound sentence. As you can see, Ram led the team. This is a meaningful itself. That's we call independent clause. Dependent means which sentence is dependent upon other sentences. That we call dependent clause, subordinate clause. This is a main clause. Here in compound sentence there will be two main clauses instead of subordinate clause. That's we call compound sentence. I hope you clear. Okay. Here Ram led the team. This is also main clause. Here this is a example. Sorry, this is a conjunction. Here I didn't join them. This is also main clause. Okay, so that is why these are not dependent clauses. These both sentences are independent clauses, and this example is belongs to compound sentence. Hope you cleared. We cleared about compound sentence, and just we should talk about next complex sentence. Yesterday I lost my pen, which was blue in color. As you can see here, which is main clause. Here, yesterday I lost my pen. Okay, because it is giving complete sentence. That's we call main clause or independent clause. But here, which is subordinating conjunction. Here, subordinate conjunction. Here I will write C. This is main clause, and here was blue in color. Okay, this is not giving complete sentence, complete meaning. Okay, was blue in color. What is blue in color? So that is why the questions will arise. So that is why this is independent clause. Sorry, dependent clause. That's called subordinate clause. Okay. Here in complex sentence there will be one main clause and one subordinate clause. Okay, that's we call complex sentence. I hope you clear. Okay. Here component complex means here in component complex sentences, component complex mixed grammar topic, there will be two or more than two main clauses will be there, and any one subordinate, at least one subordinate clause will be there. I have given you one example here. As you can see, Ram led the team. The same sentence I have written here. But is conjunction. I didn't join them. This is also a part of sentence. This is also giving complete sentence, complete meaning. So that is why this is also independent and this is also independent. Means two main clauses are there. Because is conjunction and I was ill. This is also giving complete meaning. So that is why this is also main clause. Main clause. More than two. I have already told you the definition of component complex. And here, that's why that team didn't win. Which team? Okay, that's why the questions will arise. So that's why this is not giving complete meaning, and this is joined by conjunction. That's why here this is a big one. This is a conjunction, subordinate conjunction, and this is that team didn't win. Okay, didn't win. This is subordinate clause. I have already given you definition about component complex, the mixed grammar topic of component complex. I have given you here your definition about component complex. What is the definition? I will repeat. There will be two or more than two main clauses will be there in component complex, and at least one subordinate clause will be there. That's we call component complex. I hope you clear. What is compound sentence? There will be two main clauses. No any subordinate clauses will be there. That's we call compound sentence. And in complex sentence there will be one main clause and one subordinate clause. Okay, that's all. I hope you are cleared. If any doubts and clarifications are there, please send me the corrections. Thank you so much.